Okay guys, so let's do the laundry. So first off, I'm going to wash in the dish, and then I'm going to rinse the first rinse, second and third rinse. Yeah, because I'm going to use safe. So yeah, I get rinsing and I don't have Stay Soft like fabric conditioner. I don't have right now, so that's why I'm just going to rinse thrice. And then those are my son's what do you call it? Okay, I should just say. Okay, so those are my son's bottoms and shorts and jackets. I've soaked his t-shirts, all of his t-shirts and panties and socks. So I'm going to start with the t-shirts, and then yeah, after I'm done, I'll do the bottoms, which I'm going to soak right now. And yeah, so this is the setup of doing laundry in the ghetto, or in, I don't know, Africa, I don't know. Guys, this is my setup. I don't like to leave this dish like down below because my back hurts. It really does hurt. We do have a sink, but over there we do have a sink, but we don't use it. We don't really use it, so I prefer to use down there. And then those 20-liter bottle, they are filled with water. That's our, like, our daily, what do you call it, like our daily water, not for drinking but for other things like washing. You even see this dish, it is like water. We've got another dish behind the house, it has water also. Yeah, so this water we just store it in on those containers, guys. Just storage for water, because we don't have water every day here. Yeah, so let's do the laundry. And in this washing basket, guys, there's my laundry left. I can't really do it all today because I've been lazy, but we'll do it some other day. But it's just a few dresses, a night dress. Yeah, a night dresses. Not much compared to my son's, because my son changes and he gets dirty. So I've left this washing basket because I want to like wash it after I'm done. I want to wash on top. I don't know if you can see, but there's dust. I want to wash it. Yeah, so let's do the laundry. This is the setup, guys. This is the setup. I don't know how you do it if you don't have a washing machine, but this is my setup. I don't like to wash to wash like down below because of my back. So yeah, let's do the laundry.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand, yeah. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, all the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table. Lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy bubble where we're lost in each other's troubles. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in
Hi guys, hi, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, my name is Oli. I'm a single mom of one, living in the ghetto part of Zimbabwe, which is Chitsungwiza. So this channel is all about like how I navigate my life, guys, everything around my life. So it's just a lifestyle channel. So today I started off with doing Junior's laundry, guys. It was a lot, and yeah, I've just finished eating my breakfast. It's cold, that's why I'm wearing a light jersey, but I feel like baking. It's like I'm in my baking era, guys. I'm because this weather, guys, this weather, you should bake and make what do you call it, comfort warm food at home, especially since it's a holiday. So yeah, let me get baking. So today I'm going to be making cookies or biscuits. I don't know how they'll come out like. So yeah, we're going to make those ones. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much, guys. It really means a lot to me because now we are close to 500. So if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, make sure that you are subscribed. And to my returning subscribers, thank you, guys. And to everyone that engaged in the comment section, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. A big shout out to you. So yeah, let's get baking.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters, it's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained.
Hello guys, hello. So thank you so much for watching up until this point. Thank you so much for watching. I know maybe it was a short video, but that's the point. That's the point. So right now it's still raining. I need to just go out and remove Junior's clothing and maybe put it in a dish. Maybe I'll try and dry it tomorrow because today yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed our cookies because we really enjoyed them, guys. We preferred them like the plain vanilla ones to the chocolatey ones. Thank God the plain ones were like almost like 3/4, and then the chocolates were like a quarter. So we enjoyed that with a tea since like cold. We enjoyed it with a tea since it's cold. So if you really want to try it, guys, you can go ahead and try it. It was my first time making those biscuits, and I'll be making them again and again and again. And this time I'll be incorporating chocolate chips, raisins. I don't know what else, guys. Let me know what else can I add into these simple biscuits because today they were really giving. And ndachosiya mamwe ekudya for later with tea, or maybe tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning I'll just have my tea and my biscuits because they were really giving. So I only used like four or so ingredients. I used margarine, the blue, is it blue ribbon, blue band, because in the house we're now out of margarine, and I had to buy that 250 grams one, and I almost used it all, and flour, and then 1 egg. The recipes that I was seeing, guys, it was not like it's optional to add an egg, and it's also optional to add vanilla, but I also like vanilla. So I added vanilla, egg, cookies and cream, like cookies and cream flavor. I love that flavor, guys. And what else? Flour, just flour. That's it, guys. That's it. No water, no milk, no nothing. That's it. And I tried to do the noodles but it was so like thick, so it didn't come out well, it didn't come out good. So but I'm glad, guys, I'm glad. Yo, and the house is still smelling like cookies right now. The house is still smelling like cookies. We are in the ghetto, but our house is smelling like cookies because they have me. Now my mom wants me to make a batch of like cookies because I even adjusted the sugar, guys. I used, I think, a quarter cup of sugar today because I wasn't joking about sugar. My mom doesn't eat sweet stuff, and I also don't like sweet stuff. So quarter cup of sugar, takayenda, guys, and it tasted amazing with tea. Amazing. I'm telling you, you should try it, guys. You should try it. So thank you so much for watching up until this point. We'll see you on my next video. I love you all. Make sure you are subscribed, guys. Make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you like. If you like this video, just make sure you leave a like, a thumbs up, or a heart in the comment section, guys. Thank you so much.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest.